Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Falling Edge Falls. So I could take my bag. Exactly, we're on the trail now, heading towards the fall, and then hopefully it's a little walk, cause I'm up for the little walk. Guys, I'm wearing really expensive sneakers and it's really dirty.
Let's put them in.
We have a little. Go on, can the shoes can wash? Exactly. I did not sign up for this shit, okay? I think it may rain because it was raining before we come out, so I don't know. I don't know, but if the bear or the monkey come out, Kim, like we know. Remember, say you can't tear them up. I don't have to see. They know if a sweet bear. Yeah. What are these? These are cocoa beans? Kim no name them. Watch him. Put it in your mouth. Put it in there. She legit take off one stick. Fear a bear. The most I might find is a monkey. I'm a beat to that. Alright guys. When I was younger, there's something called courage. Courage. Yeah, I had courage. Hey, take it off for you. Yes. I don't want any of that to take me because I don't have any sugar with me. It's so peaceful. No! No, Kim. No! Yes, Kim does not behave like this. You're so no. And it moves.
Yeah, we defensive.
Of course. Actually, let her walk here. It is peaceful until I'm a foot, Kim. Let me check the depth of this water right here. It's safe, that. So it's a good little walk. And I am loving it. Honestly.
You got started.
But it's so nice, but it's blending with nature. I swear, I look cute.
Center stone secure.
It is safe. The one in I got the last one for dead, you know.
And guess who's in the middle?
Me.
Yeah. So see me, I put
It's getting darker.
So make sure you're in the middle.
I want I back always go first, you know.
You see? I sacrifice myself for the throne.
And you see you gone? I just put Kim in my back. So I can't run off.
See, I'll make sure that you're alright, baby.
Me alright with the hike. I'm so having fun right now. This is like what I've been asking for from after at the end of the year, all things happen. Runyon Canyon. I wanted to hike before the year finished. And here I am, hiking.
Yeah guys, so we're in a small pit stop.
Pit stop
For me,
pit stop.
For me, you can pick stuff. For me, not for Kay. Kay is full of energy right now. This gives her life.
Yes, because I am in my natural habitat.
The jungle.
I swear, my mother have me in a bush.
So
that don't sound right.
No.
You know, so right. But I swear, my mother have me. I can't even say that. Because that's why my mother abandoned me. But I swear, either my mother was a nature loving person when she was having me or something, because I love nature and I love natural things. I love hiking. I like the natural oxygen that the world has created. You know what, bush there and no fire and no, so you know, so this oxygen that we breathing in.
I thought you guys died.
You know, the oxygen that we're breathing in right now is at its purest form. We are here, and I am excited to be here. Look at that. Look at the beautiful look at that beauty.
This is what they call the falling bridge waterfall.
Look at the beauty of that fall. That's what we're doing now. So we are at the falls, guys, and the falls is behind me now. Whee! I'm on a stone and this girl trying to get me down. So I'm not sure if we're going to go in the water, guys, because this is some little bugs in the water. I don't know if you can see them. May I try? I'm going to try to show y'all. So as a safety precaution, we're not going to go in the water because we don't know what they are and we don't know if them can do anything harmful towards us. So best thing we do are just not going in the water and doing. But at least we came, we saw, we liked. He's still planning on going in the water. The one there? No, that's all. You look like?
Not sure if we find out what that was, but I don't know.
They look too big. Like silver tips or something. So they're over there taking pictures. So this is a grade close to our 2017 going into 2018. I wish for everyone who's watching my vlog a happy new year and prosperity and Masita children right now. Because Evan forgot to take the repellent.
Yes, I did.
After I told him to.
She told me to and I didn't remember to pack it. Yes,
I know Masita kid was like, boys just like to be cuddled. Exactly. So it is time to leave the fall.
Well, guys, we should call our name.
What kind of hikers are we?
Exactly, with no fun.
I have one.
So we almost reach up to the school where we parked, which is good. Out of the bush and back down to the bad road.
We did it! Survival! Team survival!
So we're back to civilization. So guys, if you come here and see that stick, just pick it up and do the same thing that we did and put it back. We're going to show you a little piece of the road. That's the road real bad. Road bad too. You know, can't complain about St. Thomas Road no more now. Probably that's why they not fixed it. So anyways guys, I'm tired. I reach home. Now I want to sleep. So I'm going to sleep. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys.